every time after the championship, he's the nicest guy. Hey, what's up? We wouldn't have a conversation, but he wouldn't walk past me. He would be like, hey, I'll be like, hey. But before that, bro, every time he passed me. And then I figured out that's just how he dealt with things. You know what I mean? We understood that the prize is the championship. So we know friends right now, bro. And I got that after like 3 years after me competing every time. I was like, something's wrong with this cat. But then I figured out that that's just some people just deal with certain things. We can't be friends, bro. We're going to war. We can't be friends. And I have to respect that. You know what I mean?
I was the opposite of you. Like, you needed to be comfortable in your environment, because then that's when you knew you was able to race at your highest level. Away from the track, I was like you on the track. I was cool, relaxed, chilled, but I knew that person away from the track was not going to get the job done for me on the track. So I needed to be that monster. I needed to be that beast. I needed to be aggressive. After you cross the finish line, that's not me. So every time I saw you, it was like, look what you saying, dog. And the times that we would be in the club, I'd be like, look, you saying in the DJ booth, dog. He getting it in. He cutting it up, dog.